Hi guys, my name is Sofia. This is our series on Yoga Foundation, and in this video you'll learn how to do Parshvakonasana, extended side angle. So for this pose you might need a block, so keep it handy. It can be a book, like a dictionary size. It will be perfect for the modification of Parshvakonasana. To learn the pose, let's start at the left edge of the yoga mat in Tadasana. Feet are together, big toes to touch. Inhale, lift the chest. Hands to the waist, bend the knees and step out in a large stance around 4 feet away. Turn the right foot out 90 degrees, left foot slightly in 5 to 10 degrees. Align your heels. Press the left foot down, the left heel is pressing down to the ground. Engage your thighs so that the right knee is turning and align with your right ankle. Tuck your tailbone. Keep your chest nice and tall. Inhale, raise your arms at the shoulder level, parallel to the floor with palms facing down. With an exhale, the exhale we will split it in two. So with your next exhale, bend the right knee over the right ankle to form 90 degrees and to bring your right thigh parallel to the floor. Good. We'll continue exhaling by leaning the chest towards the right side, bringing the right palm to the outside of the right foot and extending the left arm over the left ear and turning our gaze up towards the left palm. This is our extended side angle. So we're pressing our inner thighs up to lift the chest, to keep the hips aligned, shoulders aligned and heels aligned down to the ground. Good. To come out from the pose, with your next inhale, engage your core, engage the thighs, lift the chest up, arms are at the shoulder level, straighten the right knee, turn the feet parallel to each other, hands to the waist, bend the right knee and come back again in Tadasana. Now to modify the pose, please grab your block or book. We have 3 possible modifications that we will do in this video. So I'll place my block to the right side. I'll come again in Tadasana with feet together. I'll speed it up a little bit to show you exactly the moment where you can adapt it at your own preference. So hands to the waist, bend the knees, step out in a large stance. There's the right foot out, left foot slightly in, chest is lifted, nice and tall. Inhale, raise your arms at the shoulder level. Now pay attention. With an exhale, I'll bend my right knee over the right ankle. I'll continue to press my left heel down to the ground, of course. And now I'll bend my right elbow and I place it over the right thigh. From here, I'll extend my chest towards the right side and my left arm will go above the left ear, extended, and the chest will be open. Option 1. Option 2, I'll grab my block, any direction. I'll place it to the outside of the right foot. And again, I'll just place my hand for support and I'll open to the side. Option 3, the block will come in, again, any possible direction. I'll place my hand, open the chest and extend the left arm over the left ear. To come out from the pose, option to bring the left hand to the waist. Inhale, right hand to the waist, straighten the leg. Remove the block. Feet parallel to each other, and then come back again in Tadasana. Ready to practice with me? We will do extended side angle on both sides together. We will hold for 9 breaths. If 9 breaths it's too difficult for you, do it 5 breaths in one side, come back to the center, give yourself a break, and then we will do it together on the next side for 5 or 9 breaths. We are starting at the left edge of the yoga mat with feet together in Tadasana, hands to the waist. Bend your both knees and step out in a large stance around 4 feet away. Turn the right foot out, align your heels. Inhale to raise your arms at the shoulder level, wide shoulder blades, and your palms are facing down. So press your left heel down towards the ground, tuck your tailbone in, activate your thighs. Inhale to lengthen, exhale, bend the right knee over the right ankle, and then drop your right hand to the outside on the block or on the ground. Extend your left arm over the left ear, press your inner thighs, and your gaze is towards your left palm or straight. We are holding here for 9 breaths. 1. Press the left heel down. 2. Breathe, long breaths. 3. 4. Your core is active. 5. Option to take a break. 6. Your shoulders are open to the side. 7. 8. 9. Inhale, activate your core. Slowly bring your chest up. Keep your arms parallel to the floor. Straighten the right knee. Turn your feet parallel to each other. And now turn your left foot out. Tuck your tailbone in. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to bend the left knee. And again, drop your hand or your elbow over the thigh and extend the right arm up again this time. For 1, straighten your right leg. 2, look up or straight. 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, squeeze your inner thighs, squeeze your glutes. 8 and 9. Inhale, slowly come to center, straighten your both legs, feet parallel to each other, hands to the waist, bend the right knee, and come again in Tadasana. So what are the benefits of extended side angle Parshvakonasana? It improves your overall stability. It strengthens your calves, your knees, your thighs, actually your entire legs. It massages and stimulates your abdominal organs, opens your chest, the shoulders, and it improves your lung capacity. It is an amazing pose to start your yoga practice, warming up your leg muscles, and it stretches your hamstrings. So what are the conditions for this pose? If you have bad knees, bad ankles, maybe poor hip mobility or shoulder mobility, you need to take it easy and go slowly with the pose. It is the same if you have a headache, if you have insomnia or high or low blood pressure. If you have neck problems, instead of turning your head towards your extended arm up, you can just look straight. Thank you very much for staying with me and watching this video. If you would like to see more videos on Yoga Foundation, click the subscribe button, like it, and come again to my channel for more yoga practice. See you soon. Namaste.